us see how to use the important commands in SolidWorks. Select the part, OK. So select the front plane sketch. So here select rectangle and create the rectangle. It's it from the sketch. Now apply the commands, partition commands. So you can extrude in both directions of the sketch. So like this you can create a block. Suppose we have to remove the material, click on the extrude cut and select a plane and draw the sketch here. I'll draw on circle and rectangle. Exit from the sketch. Now extrude cut and give OK. In this way we can remove the material. Suppose we have to create a shell. Select this and give OK. So shell is created. And select this, select the front plane, sketch, draw the rectangle, exit. Now revolve, select this and remove. So please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.